How's it going, everyone? I thought I'd give you another update of the Lesu Liebherr wheel loader kit build here. Just give you a little progress update. So let me see. Got the transmission bolted in. Got the motor bolted up. Got the two frame halves bolted together. See down here we got the two steer cylinders bolted in. Got the hydraulic pump and motor in here. Give you a look at that. Let's flip it over real quick, give you a bomb view here. So once again, there's the steer cylinders all bolted up. Got the motor and transmission there. Got the axle pivot. And the pump and motor again. Couple notes, couple things to watch out for. Let me see here. My pump and motor were not assembled properly. Let's see if I can get this in focus. A little bit dark in here. Here we go. So these four screws right here, I had to take those out and rotate one of the pump housings 90 degrees and bolt it back together in order to get to bolt up properly in the frame. So I don't know if, hopefully that's just a little fluke, but something to watch out for if you're building one of these. Next up here, got the axle pivot. That's just held in with a couple flange bearings and a nice pivot rod there, an E-clip. Give you a little close-up shot of the motor mount there, the underside of that. Let's get this thing flipped back over. Now, right down here is where servos are going to mount, right in this area, the shift servo and the diff lock servo. These two pieces here are bolted in. Honestly, I'm not even sure what those are for yet, but we'll find out soon enough. One other thing to watch out for, there were no directions in the manual for assembling the motor to the transmission. So just give you a couple, just point out a couple things on that real quick. Let's see, we got, see a screw here. There's four of these around the circumference of the transmission, and you have to take those out in order to get the aluminum motor plate out. So once you get the motor plate out, you can bolt that, bolt that up to the motor, and then put the pinion on. And a note about the pinion, that is basically just a press or interference fit. There's no set screw for that or anything like that. Kind of bummed about that. I'd like to see a set screw in there. Let's see what else. The pivots here, let me rotate this a little bit. The pivots, those each have their own individual pin. You can see them in there, and they're just held in with an E-clip once again. That's about it for today. Later on today, I'm going to try and get the hydraulic valve assembly built up and put the servos on it. Give you a quick look at that real quick. Three circuits on that, so yeah, once again, we're going to try and get that built up today, get that installed, work on some of the hydraulics. And one other thing before I go, I got the wheel sandblasted. It came out real nice. I kind of wish Lisa would sandblasted these things, because the factory has machine finish. It's going to be about impossible to get paint to stick to those, but I got those blasted at a local sheet metal shop. And now it'll be nice and easy to get paint to stick to those. All right, folks, I think that's it for today. Just watch out for the next video to be on the hydraulic valve. Once that's installed, or I may do a build video on that. I'm not sure. We'll see how far we get today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, etc. Subscribe. Thanks.